Have you been struggling to make money with your Google Ads? Are you tired of putting in the effort and not seeing any results? Do you feel like you're wasting your time and money on ineffective advertising campaigns? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you're not alone. Many business owners and marketers struggle to make money with Google Ads, but the good news is that there are solutions. In this video, we'll show you how to get started with Google Ads and start making more money now. So, you want to make more money with Google Ads, but you're not sure where to start. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are 5 easy steps to get started and make the most of your Google Ad campaigns. Step 1. Set your budget and goals. Before you start creating your ad campaign, it's important to know how much you're willing to spend and what you hope to achieve. Set a budget you are comfortable with and specific, measurable goals you want to reach, like getting more people to visit your website or getting more leads. Start small and gradually increase your budget as you learn more about what works for your business. You might want to use Google's cost per click, CPC, bidding strategy to keep costs down and get the most out of your investment, ROI. Step 2. Choose your target audience. To make the most of your Google Ad campaigns, it's important to target the right audience. Think about who your ideal customers are and what their interests and needs are. Use this information to create a target audience for your ads. Use Google's targeting options, such as location, age, gender, and interests, to reach the right people. Consider using customer data and demographics to create a more targeted audience. Step 3. Create compelling ad copy. The ad copy is the text that appears in your Google ad and is crucial to its success. Make sure your ad copy is relevant, compelling, and informative. Use strong, actionable language and include a call to action to encourage people to click on your ad. Use keyword research to find popular, relevant terms that people are searching for. Test different ad copies to see which performs best and make adjustments as needed. Step 4. Design an eye-catching ad. In addition to compelling ad copy, you'll also want to create an eye-catching ad to grab people's attention. Use visually appealing images, graphics, or videos in your ad to make it stand out. Use high-quality, relevant images or graphics that are relevant to your ad and business. Consider using video to grab people's attention and showcase your product or service. Step 5. Monitor and optimize your ad campaign. Once your ad campaign is up and running, it's important to monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed. Use Google's analytics and tracking tools to see how your ads are performing and make changes to optimize your campaign. Check how well your ads are doing often and make changes to your budget, who you're targeting, and the ad copy as needed. Consider using A/B testing to compare different versions of your ads and see which performs the best. Here are some little-known Google Ads facts that can help you make more money. Did you know that you can use Google's free Keyword Planner tool to research the best keywords to use in your ad campaigns? This can help you attract more targeted traffic and improve your ad performance. Another little known fact is that Google gives preference to ads with a high quality score. This means that if your ad is relevant, useful, and has a high click-through rate, it will rank higher in the search results and cost less to run. Finally, did you know that you can use Google Analytics to track the performance of your ad campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize your ad spend? By analyzing your ad performance and adjusting your strategy accordingly, you can increase your ROI and make more money with your Google Ads campaigns. We've highlighted the problems with ad campaigns, provided easy-to-follow steps to get started, and revealed some little-known facts about Google Ads. Remember, with the right strategy and a little bit of know-how, you can use Google Ads to increase your income and grow your business. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more financial knowledge videos.